All right, today's whiteboard recap is all about scope creep. Scope creep came today in a big way. We were talking about how we can help incentivize interaction with the service at launch. We can do all we can to get press coverage, but that doesn't mean people are actually going to use the site. So we really want to make sure that people get benefit out of using the site, or like I said, are incentivized to do so. Two main reasons why we want to do that. One, we want to help build a community that makes us defensible. We don't want someone else to come up with the exact same idea and then go launch and then steal all of our users. So we want to build something that's unique to us, and that's going to be our community, a place where people can go and get recommendations from experts on ways to utilize their service. The other reason we want to do that is because we want to be a place where people can actually make money and build their business. We're going to have some reputation engine, or a reputation engine in the in OnCompare, we hope at this point, and we're doing that not just for the sake of points and badges and all that crap. It's going to be about helping consultants who are experts in software as a service make money, and helping software as a service users save money and explore new products. So that's really what we're focused on here, and that's where scope creep came in. It's going to be tough to get this in here, but we're hoping that some of our friends, maybe at like Big Door Media, can help us out. All right. The other place that it jumped in line was features that I forgot. So it turns out when you talk to customers and they tell you they'll pay for something, you should write that down. Otherwise you'll forget, and then later you might have to cut something because of it. So that's what happened. I forgot, and we're adding it back in, and hopefully it'll work out. Finally, we got to flex our UX muscle. Aaron and I, we are engineers by trade and clearly not user experience guys, because this is what you get when that happens. But we do have a bit of a bottleneck on our hands. We got 5 engineers and only 1 UX guy. So all of us are going to have to chip in and do our best to make buttons shiny.
So on the Agile Zen front, we worked a few things differently again. We got rid of the nice to have column, and we pushed that over to the backlog. So it's basically the same thing, it's just visually a little bit different on the board. The other thing we did is we added in the skinning column, because we've got a bunch of features that are working but are all really ugly. And so what we need to do is make them pretty. And that column will kind of act as a work in progress column for that sort of thing. Let's show you guys the graph, kind of where things are now. Today we added about 10 stories in total based on everything that's on the whiteboard there that Justin was talking about. But we only actually added about 4 stories or so to the really nice to have. So those are the things that we're really going to push hard to get before launch. And then everything else is just kind of icing. So yeah, that's about where we are. And and we're also making quite a bit of progress. As you can see, things are the ramp is starting to go upwards. It's kind of starting to hockey stick. The slope, yeah, whatever. It's some technical term, some crazy shit. And that's because
supposed to swear during whiteboard recaps.
Oh.
We're going to re-record this for the 4th time.
Damn it. All right. Bye.
Go see how.